Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create desktop shortcut icon for Epic Games Launcher. And to do this, we'll need to click on our start, then look for Epic Games Launcher. If you have it installed, it should show up like this. Now we can right click on the app and open the file location. Then right click on the app again, and here show more options, create the shortcut, and it should instantly transfer it to desktop. If not, it will be in the same folder that you've seen this icon, and you can simply copy it to your desktop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.